Hey everyone, this is a rare Chinese valveless pulse jet running on my pressurized liquid fueling system. First test, initial flow rate checks showed about 165 millimeter with the two injectors before raising them into the engine. I would expect a slightly lower flow rate now, however. Aiming for about 140. Be the first test, and as I've only got one hand, I'll be using each part separately to get it started. So I'm going to start by heating up the chamber a little bit with the blowtorch. And then it's nice and hot. Down a bit, so when I turn off the flow, I prefer to come back down and continue into the engine. Okay, so that about does it. So the fuel control is on, and we will start by turning on the spark, giving it some air, and then we'll bring up the fuel. M, that one was for you, mate. Unreal. So, our flow rate could have been a tad higher, but I did expect it to get a bit low after brazing, and the heat in the brass nozzles which I've got here would restrict the flow rate a little, but that was very, very close to absolute maximum power. The tailplane could have been a bit bigger from my experience, but otherwise that was fantastic. It had a full wide range of throttle control. There are definite advantages in using two injectors. Mixing seems to be better. Stability is there. Fantastic. I couldn't be happier for the first run with those two injection nozzles. So I'm going to do some further tests on other engines. But for now, this is going to be my demonstrator, and isn't that just fucking fantastic? So you'll be able to fly, fully control all your throttle, takeoff, landing. You'll be able to fly upside down and pull negative inverted G's, and it won't make any difference whatsoever because we're pressurizing it through use of a fuel pump. When I get my Fiberworks pump back, we'll be able to do it with one injector, and it will be much better in terms of pressure, mixing. We can use two nozzles still, but lower flow nozzles, which will give much better atomization, and I look forward to getting my pump back when we sort out the pressure. So anyway, that's fantastic. Hope you think so as well. Anyway, this is Irvine Aero Pulse signing off.